How to enable Apple Pay and Shopify payments. In this video, let me show you how you can put Apple Pay in your Shopify payments. So first, let's begin by opening your Shopify. Make sure to log in your account. On your left, navigate to the bottom. Click on Settings over here. Then from here, let's go to Payments. As you can see, under Supported Payment Methods, I have PayPal. To add your Apple Pay, just simply click this Choose a Provider right here. From here, you can now search or scroll providers that offers Apple Pay. In here, I don't need to search for anything since Stripe offers Apple Pay and other payment methods like Visa, MasterCard, and American Express. So let's click Stripe, and right here, just log in your Stripe account and you're good to go. That's it for this tutorial. For more how-to videos, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if this video has helped you. And don't forget to share your comments or suggestions in the comment box below. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.